My name is V.SREEJA. I am from V.TECH Institute of Technology. I was recently graduated in the year of 2024. I am from computer science and engineering background. I was recently joined in Jspiders Punjagutta in the month of March. I was incubation student. Uh, I was gone through Java by Vivek sir and web technology by Lingaraj sir and SQL by Afro sir. And in this Jspiders, the teaching was amazing, and I learned many skills. In the grooming session, apart from the skills and knowledge, I learned soft skills like how to behave in the interview. And I have attended 2 requirements from Jspiders, but I got rejected in the technical round. And finally, I was attended in